this is Harvey from ASUS Communication. Now I'm again with another video. You can see I have another box in front of me. I bought some product from AliExpress and I have got today. Delivery was more or less 6 or 7 days. I'm gonna use my knife. Let's see what we have. I'm gonna open this one as this. Exactly, I have a charger for my notebook, my gaming notebook. Here is the cord, the cable, and here is the charger, nothing else. So let's see what charger I have. You see this cord of the charger. Let me cut this one. The price, obviously I have paid half for this one. A decent cable, normal, I have 1000 cable of this one. Nothing special. You see 3 pin and the charger itself. Let me take this out. You can see adapter is written. It's a gaming notebook charger. Normally the original one is 100 euro, could be $100, but in this case I paid very cheap, 35. You see adapter is similar as my original one of ROG Strix. So you similar model number, you can see here A17150P1A. Another information, here is the code. Let's see it's working or not. So take my computer as this. Let's see I can put inside or not. See the jack. Here we go. It's going fast so far. Everything is well here. You can see it's charging properly. The battery is charging, so it's working, guys. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.